Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 GMC Acadia. Stock number is A7848. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with hand-cooked Dynapro tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top, you do have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this Acadia is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't have to worry about sliding all over the road. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats. Your automatic transmission is here, and you have your four-wheel drive controls here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Acadia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.